Alright, so you've built your first floor and you need to do a second floor. There's a tip I'm going to show you on how to do that. We're actually going to move the axes, the red, green, and blue axes here, and we're going to move them up to this corner right here. So to do that, what we're going to do is Tools, Axes, and I'm going to put it right on this corner. Now first you need to tell it where you want the red axis to go, and where you want the green axis to go, otherwise it'll be somewhere along here. And you can see now the red axis is along this line, the green axis is along that line. From there, it's the same thing as we did before. File, import, bring in a new plan, your second story plan, it should be. Scale it again, and from there you can place it to where you need it to be, and you can start building just like you were before. You may need to hide this for some parts, but again, you can start building on it on a second floor because we've moved the axis from here up to there.